we go.
This man is called Stuntman. He's gonna do an awesome trick with my bike. Please do not try this at home. Please.
Stop saying that.
Hope he doesn't fall. Any minute now. He's coming fast. He's coming. Boom! Please, kids, do not try this at home. Do not. You could do it unless the parent is with you.
8 feet. Nice.